Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this chrome look. Hey guys, so the color that I'm using today is Canadian Winter by Madam Glam. It is almost kind of like a milky white with like a hint of pink. It's very cute for this chrome look that I'll be doing. So with light layers of this gel polish, just paint your nails like you would with regular nail polish. Only difference with this gel polish is that you have to cure under the LED or UV light for about a minute or two, which I'll be using the little mini macaron that you see here. It's so cute. So right here, I am pushing that gel polish as close as I can to my cuticles and then swipe it out, make it even. And if you get some on your skin, don't worry, just clean it off before you cure it in the LED light for 30 seconds with this Le Mini Macaron, which is adorable. Next, I'm using Madam Glam's No Wipe Gel Top Coat for this part. Then what you want to do is paint your nails like you regularly would, cap the free edge. Then you want to cure it in the LED light for 5 to 10 seconds tops. So what you need right now will be your chrome that you want to use today and a makeup sponge. And right here, I just like to tap that in first before I rub the chrome powder in. And make sure you get as close as you can to those cuticles. Next, we're going in with the No Wipe Gel Top Coat yet again and just seal in your chrome powder and cure it in the LED light for 30 seconds again. With a lint-free wipe and rubbing alcohol, clean off the chrome powder that was left on your hand. Then go in with your cuticle oil that you like, rub that in, and then you'll have the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.